what's up? This is Kevin Rolland from France, here in Budapest.
Alright Kevin, welcome to Hungary. It's very nice meeting you here in Hungary. Is that your first time here, right?
Yeah, it's my first time here, so I'm really stoked about the crowd and the kicker and everybody is so stoked to be here. So
You've been here one day long already, or?
I'm staying here for 2 more days.
2 more days?
Before I come back to France and train again and again.
Have you seen anything from the country yet? From Budapest?
Not really, a little bit on TV, but that's it.
That's it. Alright, what about the competition? What are your expectations for this competition here in the
I don't know, I'm just here to have fun and try my new ski, my curb ski. I'm here with all my friends, so I think it's going to be a great experience.
Where can we see you this winter competing?
First I'm going to go to Colorado, to Breckenridge, for the Jew Tour. The biggest, one of the big contests in US, and then I come back France to train, and then I go back to US for Jew Tour and X Game. So mostly on the Jew Tour and on the X Game.
You have won X Games last year. You have won the Jew Tour, as I remember.
I won the Jew Tour and the both X Games.
So you wanna win again?
The goal is really simple. I just have to win the 3 Jew Tour and the 2 X Games.
All right. It's a very big thing that ski halfpipe will be at the Olympics. I think that must be your main goal then, the next big step.
Yeah, for sure, it's my main goal for the future. But first, I've got a lot of X Games to win. But then I'm gonna be really focused on the Olympics for sure.
What does it mean for you to be able to compete?
I don't know. It's like a dream. Since I'm really young, I want to be the best skier in the world, and now I've got the opportunity to be the best skier in the world on the biggest contest in the world. All category. Like you can be compared to a soccer player or I don't know, a swimmer. So it's really good, and it's really good for the sport.
Yeah. How do you find the rules, the regulations for the qualification for the Olympics? It's become a little bit easier. Before it was a little bit problematic with the FIS and the AFP.
Everything is not all set yet, but I don't know. I think you have to be in the 31st in the World Cup, so it's not a big deal. So I think it should work.
All right.
Cross the finger. I don't know how many guys can go to the Olympic yet, but normally it's 4 guys.
Yeah. From a country.
Four guys by country.
Yeah, you must be on the team then.
I guess if I'm not injured and if I'm still good.
All right. Are there any tricks that you are planning at the moment?
I'm learning a lot of tricks on the airbag mostly. I try I don't know. It's difficult to explain, but I try to find some new kind of rotation.
Rotations. Is there any specific that you are? It's not a secret to tell.
Nothing is a secret, but I didn't learn anything yet on the snow, so I don't want to talk too fast, you know.
All right. So we are going to find it out then at the competitions.
Yeah. So check it out on the first Jew Tour.
All right. Then thank you very much, and we wish you good luck here in Hungary and the Jew Tour as well. Thanks.
Thanks.